On prison moon K-9, nothing was supposed to be possible. That was the point. 1. The moon of no escape. K-9 wasn't built like a prison. It was built like an ending. A dead moon wrapped in containment fields, orbiting a forgotten star. No industry, no supply chain, no manufacturing systems, no repair infrastructure, and most importantly, no tools, because tools meant progress, and progress meant escape. 2. The human problem. The human arrivals were logged as labor specialists. One of them was an engineer. Designation, Arin Solvek. During intake, standard procedure was followed. Personal items confiscated. Tools removed. Equipment stripped. Even his repair kit was taken. A guard smirked. No tools. No progress. Simple. Arin didn't respond. He just looked around the prison habitat. Then at the walls. Then at the ceiling vents. Like he was already planning something. 3. The first failure. 2 weeks later, life support began to fail. Not catastrophic, but dangerous. Oxygen recycling efficiency dropping. Thermal regulation unstable. Filtration systems clogging. The prison administration responded as expected. We will send replacement components. The reply came back. There are none available. Silence followed. 4. The human solution. Arin asked for a maintenance inspection. Denied. Asked again. Denied again. So he stopped asking and started collecting. 5. The forbidden materials. In a prison moon, nothing is truly useless. Arin began salvaging. Broken spoon fragments. Bent metal wires. Discarded panel shards. Scraps from food trays. Loose circuit insulation. Guards laughed. What is he doing? Collecting garbage? Arin didn't explain, because explaining wasn't necessary. Building was. 6. The first tool. Inside his cell, he worked in silence. No workshop. No proper equipment. Just patience. He bent wire using heated ventilation output. Shaped metal using pressure from structural seams. Polished edges against concrete surfaces. And after days, he made something. A tool. Not perfect, but functional. 7. The prison system fails. Then life support worsened. Oxygen levels dropped across Sector C. Panic spread. Guards scrambled. Engineers were called in. Their conclusion was immediate. We need replacement filtration tools. But there were none. And then someone said, the human has tools. 8. The impossible request. They came to Arin's cell. You will hand over your tools for system repair. Arin looked at them. Calm. I don't have tools. The guard frowned. We see them. Arin stood. Walked to the wall. Picked up a twisted metal object. This is not a tool. He pointed to another. This is not a tool. Then another. These are prototypes. 9. The realization. Confusion spread. A senior engineer arrived. Examined the objects closely. Then froze. These are functional adaptations. The guard asked, what does that mean? The engineer replied slowly. He didn't use tools. He made tools. 10. The repair. With permission granted, Arin was taken to the life support core. What he saw was chaos. Overheated filters. Broken circulation valves. Failing energy regulators. No replacement parts. No factory backup. No external help. Just damage. An opportunity. 11. Improvised engineering. Arin went to work. He didn't wait for ideal conditions. He adapted. Spoon metal became microclamps. Wire became circuit bridges. Panel fragments became airflow redirectors. He restructured the system in real time, not restoring it, reimagining it. 12. The system stabilizes. Slowly, oxygen levels stabilized. Temperature normalized. Filters resumed function. The prison lived. Not because it was repaired properly, but because it was rebuilt creatively. 13. The guard realization. One guard whispered, we confiscated everything he needed. Another replied, but he didn't need anything. Silence followed, because the truth was uncomfortable. They had removed tools, not capability. 14. The human advantage. A report was filed to the higher authority. Recommendation. Do not confiscate engineering tools from human prisoners. Pause. Reason. They are capable of fabricating replacements from non-tool materials. Another line was added later by an analyst. Humans do not depend on tools. Tools depend on humans. 15. Final line. And in the archived records of Prison Moon K-9, one sentence became protocol legend. You can take a human's tools, but you cannot take the human out of the tool-making.